Ben.
Look the way it looked. I did.
It was a barbecue.
It was.
Ben, let's see it. Star Wars. So who are you on Star Wars?
I'm a Star Wars guy.
Who are you again?
Clothes.
Okay, I didn't get that. You look good.
Fighting
You look good. Hey.
putting my hand.
Okay. Oh, that's good. That's a good Star Wars stance.
Why did you get me?
That's good.
Why did you get
Good job.
me?
Good job.
Did you get it?
That's a good one. That's scary.
Did you get it?
Yeah, that's scary. That's a scary one, all right. Oh, that was a good one. Those are all good ones, all right. Oh, woo! Woo-hoo.
Are you done?
That was good.
Yeah! I'm done!
Now, Cole, don't you have some costume you want to go put on?
Right, I do, I really do.
Okay, then go get it. Go get it. Uh-oh, somebody just got tossed over. A ninja just got tossed over.